Okay, so in this video, I wanted to show how we're going to hook up the factory coolant gauge with the LQ4 LS swap. So this is the sending unit that came out of the 350 small block here. And this hooks up to the factory gauge. So this is a 1/2 inch NPT pipe thread, and it screws right into the side of the head there on the 350. If we take a look at the LQ4 here, the LS, there's a port in the back here. It's an M12 by 1.5, I believe. It's a metric thread, so obviously that's not going to go in there. So I bought a adapter from Amazon. So this guy is a M12 by 1.5 to 1/8 NPT, and then I bought a 1/8 NPT coolant temp sender. So the idea is that this will thread into the head of the LS, and then this guy will thread into here, and we'll be able to just hook the wire up and hook it up that way. So before I hook this up, I just wanted to check the resistance in the original one versus the new sending unit. So it looks like we've got 3.4 kilo ohms on this one, and on the new unit it looks like we have 2.3 kilo ohms. So there's definitely a difference, and I'm not sure how much that's going to change things, but we're going to try it and we're going to give it a shot. Okay, when they send you these fittings here, they don't fit. The sending unit won't fit in here. It's because they make this hole on the end here too small. So let's just drill that out 5/16 and then this should go in. So I drilled it out. Let's see if that fits. Beauty. Okay, so I got some thread sealant on there. Let's pop that guy in, tighten it down. Okay, that's in there nice and snug. Let's wipe this off and pop it in. I got the bin underneath here. Let's stick that plug in. And I've got the new plug here. Just gonna pop it in. Let's get a wrench on that and tighten it up. All right, I got my fancy little metric adjustable wrench here. Just tight enough to crush that washer. All right, so I got that new sending unit all put in, so we're just gonna hook this wire up to it and test it out. Okay, I just had the engine running for a bit, and it looks like we're getting a coolant reading. So that's great. Looks like the new sending unit's working. Good stuff.